before we start, I want to mention that the new mirror will come with the mirror caps separate. That way you can color match it and paint it the way you want. Because I will not be painting it, I'm just going to put this on. Again, if you were to paint yours, you would paint it first and then just simply attach it like this. Right here, you'll need to remove this corner piece. Just pry out on it. Unplug the electrical connector. There's a little tab here that you can press. Pull that off. And then you'll need an 8mm wrench for this one. And then this right here is just a cap for the third nut. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one off first. Once you break it free, it should come off by hand. Go ahead and take the rest out. Okay, the mirror is going to want to fall off, so make sure you hold it. Pull it through, and there's your mirror. Take the new mirror, slide it through, just like this. Let's put the mounting hardware on. Be extra careful with this one over here. It is a little stressful putting that one on for sure. And now let's go ahead and tighten all three. You want to make sure that you suck the mirror up against the door. That's going to crush the seal and make a nice watertight seal in between the door and the mirror. You definitely don't want any water getting in here. That's tight. Now it's tight. Third one's tight. Perfect. Go ahead and plug it in. And put this cover back. Perfect.